Welcome, here I've got Ulefone Armor X5 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location text at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open this up. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner, and when we do it, as you can see, we get access to advanced camera settings, and one of these buttons at the second position here is the location info. So when we tap on this, we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that. So the yellow color suggests here that this is turned on, and this is how it works. Also, the important information here is that to make it work correctly, when you really want to save actual location of your picture, you have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi, and you have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. And now let me take a photo. And let's go here to the left corner at the bottom to the preview. And as you can see, this is the picture in the gallery. When we slide down, we get access to the details about it, and as you can see here we have the map with the location. So greetings from Krakow, this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.